Assalamu alaikum students, I am your English teacher Ghania Tajammul. Today we are going to learn about use of a and an and omissions of a and an. In this lesson we will learn where to use a and where to use an. Students, do you know about vowels? What are vowels? How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We use an before vowels. Rest of all the alphabets are called consonants and we use a before consonants. Another concept, omission of a and an. In this concept, we will learn that we do not use a and an before plurals. Now let's do the exercise from book. Now students, open your books to page number 8. Use of a and an. A and an are called articles. We use a and an before singular nouns. A ball, a doll, a flower, a book, a dog, a chair. It means we have to use a before singular nouns. यानी अगर हमारे पास एक चीज़ है, हम किसी एक चीज़ की सिंगुलर थिंग की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम आ यूज़ करेंगे. My cat has a tail. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Let's find out the vowels from the alphabets given below. We have read about vowels on the board which are A, E, I, O, U. We have to find A, E, I, O, U from the alphabets. Now, next page. Consonants. We have already read about this, that except vowels, all the alphabets are called consonants. We use a if the noun starts with a consonant sound, like a banana, a hen, a nose, B, H, and all these are consonants. So we have to use a before these words. We use an if the noun starts with a vowel sound, like an elephant, an ant, an orange, E, A, and O. All these are vowels. So we have to use an before these words. Let's practice. Write all the vowels in the blanks. We know vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Fill in the blanks with a and an before the given nouns. Umbrella. It is starting with U. U is a vowel, so we have to use an before it. Rose. It is starting with R. So we have to use a before it because R is a consonant and we use a before consonants. Orange. Orange. It is starting with a vowel, so we have to use an. Bicycle. Bicycle. It is starting with a consonant, so we have to use a before it. Clock. Clock. It is starting with a consonant sound, so we have to write a before this. Take the correct sentence. We have an example, and in this example we have two sentences, like I have an computer and I have a computer. Which is correct? I have a computer is a correct one because we use a before consonant sounds, and I have an computer is a wrong one. So we have to put cross after an computer and tick after a computer. Nadia has a pet. Nadia has an pet. Which is correct one? Nadia has a pet is correct one. So we have to mark a tick here. You have a eraser and you have an eraser. Which is correct one? An eraser, because we use an before vowel sound. In the same way you have to do this exercise on your own, students. Now next part. Rewrite the sentence with articles if necessary. We have read that articles are a and an, so we have to use these in the sentences. First sentence. Ali is student. Now we have to use an article before student. We write a or we write an before it. We will use a before student because student is starting with S and S is a consonant. Another example. He always eats apple and banana in breakfast. We will write it like this. He always eats an apple and a banana in breakfast. We will use an before apple because apple is starting with a vowel sound, and banana. We will write a banana because Banana is starting with a consonant sound. Now you have to do rest of the sentences on your own. Now students, open your books to page number 17 because here we will learn about the omission of a and an. In this concept, we will learn that we do not use a and an with plural nouns like an apple, apples, just apples. We will not use a or an before plural nouns. A cat, cats. Let's learn more examples. I have 2 eyes. Every cat has 2 ears. These are plural words. Eyes and ears are plural words. So we are not using any article before these words. Lemon have many vitamins. Dogs bark loudly. These are also plural words. We are not using any article before these words. We do not use a and with proper nouns. Like Saima is playing with Adnan. Umar lives in Pakistan. My favorite subject is mathematics. Saima, Adnan, Umar, Pakistan, mathematics. These are all proper nouns. So we will not use any article before these nouns. Next page. Let's practice with exercise. Fill in the blanks with a and or many. The topic of the story is my school library. There is a dash library in my school. Now we will use a, and or many. What we will use in this students? What we will use in this dash students? A. There is a library. We will use a because library. It is starting with L. L is a consonant. Next sentence. The library has dash rooms with dash books. The library has a rooms? No. The library has n rooms? No. The library has many rooms with many books. There is a big table in the middle of the library room. There is a colorful picture in the library. In this book, I found pictures of many birds. There is a picture of an owl. We will use an before owl because it is starting with a vowel. An ostrich and an X in the title. I hope students you have understand the concept which I have given to you. Do practice at home. Allah Hafiz.